I'm making no excuses. I know where I belong. Down in the jungle, down I crawl. I'm on top of the food chain, watching you.
Eh, I don't think I'm vicious. Yeah, man, from I start drinking juice, I know especially protein shake, you know, bro. I start feel different, you see me?
Eh, when you say I start feel like Samson?
Make sure you don't drink what the people and profit to them, brother.
Nah, man, I can't do that, man. But I have to test the product, them, that's me can talk about it, you hear that?
Eh, the man sound like him a gears up for something now.
For real, man. Yeah.
So, no go on, man. Gears up for what?
The little moms up a top hill.
So, you say, you know how they go for that bad, man?
I never hold on for nothing. And you better hold on for her.
Money me a pray now, bro. More oil woman a distraction, you see?
No, bro, and all of them, man. Pray it, man. Giddy one them stay some, man. You have some good woman to help you make money, brother. You see me?
True that. You have some of them are chicken heads, but some good ones they out there, bro.
Most of them young girls are just a pray some loose life, brother. I tell you the truth, I don't really depend on that, you see?
Yeah, bro, I see when me usually pray in bad, man. Until me meet Mary Sign. And see she have a head on her body, you know.
So which part I head for the butcher? On her foot?
You hit maker. You can't go to stand up, come here, man.
But the man say her head up on her body, like he did for the somewhere else.
Yeah, you know me I talk about in a bad, man. Mary's a young, bro. You see, but she pretty like a big woman, me I tell you the truth.
Yeah, man. Because she get a youth, you know, cuz. And you see when they get a youth, reality lick them so they grow up fast, you know?
Not all of them, brother. Enough of them get youth when them young and left the youth with them family to go run road, you see it?
Real talk, you know. I'm real talk still, bro. You see it? I shouldn't pray them with it. She pretty responsible, you see me?
Yeah, man, Marissa that, man. Marissa move different still.
Yeah, man, I noticed that with her for real, you see it?
Bro, you see, especially after a lockdown thing. That prove me say it's a good girl, you see it?
She hold it down.
Sure about that?
Yo, Vicious, now bother with the foolishness, brother. What kind of thought, that?
Just a be real, you know, brother. Because every woman, when they get it, they don't charge them no for all, you know?
Yo, that not bother me still, you know, bro. I tell you the truth. Me not pre-walk one when me there. You see, me not go pre-walk one when me there. You hear me I say? That if you know.
That me said to bro, where I no see her no leap. You see it?
What? Every pre-walk one when me know the boat. My brain they all boat.
Vicious, that will mad you. You think you can study woman? You'd have never pass. You'd have never graduate.
Bro, you see the way how Marissa take care of me, bro. When me forward. And the way how she take care of my place when me never there, bro. Bad man, that alone prove everything. I don't care about the man thing, bad man. You hear me I say this? You depend them thing there, bro. As long as that in my face, bro, I'm good.
Oh, so a man could have out the road and take you for Mickey Mouse. And you good with that?
So you are going to know if a man take you for Mickey Mouse?
One know what him that do if he get locked down it is. Him have a pay a man for watch him, woman.
You know, say a mama man style that.
Never say that, bad man. But me have to make the thing deep enough for me. Because you see, anytime I there road, me have to watch what go on, you know. If don't look like contact or nothing like that with you and no man, you hear that?
Oh, yeah, one thing me I make you know. I say if a woman now you know say she a gay bun, you can't know that, bro. So tell me, I tell you that.
And that thing for know.
Oh.
That's why I not run down no woman thing, you know, brother. Me go and sit down here, so. And go and wait.
Right way that, man. The right one will forward.
All you do, you know, you just not make jealousy, make you the foolishness anytime you find a good woman. Yeah.
I know the style, man.
Yo, so bad, bro. How is part of the business place that you talk about?
Oh, a natural product place. Around a rally, you know.
Rally? Then butcher, that place then near to Top Hill.
Can't call it, kinda.
Ah, you never see smoke without fire.
Up there, bartender, there, man.
You see the player, butcher? Boy, I think him smart.
So yeah, say, I start a business in a Rallington town just to want to see the moms.
I know me say it. You.
Man, I give a son.
You can go and talk. Our business me a pray.
Yeah, man, business. But guess what? We no business.
I own a business.
King man, where are they?
Find them kind of business, or they never move so Gigi.
Elder, how the style of name?
King man, I move like Siniox. How you walk come here in the grass?
Man, man.
Walk, man. Where did you do it?
Butcher. Why, my sister, you still up to your butchery?
King man, what kind of frightening thing that, brother? That joy if you see it still. Nah, lie.
Well, for me, it's more than a joy. Especially for you, butcher, back in the sunshine. Come here about the little unfortunate incident.
Boy, King man. Nah, lie still, but me learn my lesson, you know.
I'm glad say you can look on it that way there.
We are pretty things different now, King.
Yeah, man, our business is a thing there now, King man. Straight business. But we still have to lock off the place, you know. We have to make sure the ground good down.
Which is good. Because business can't flourish if the ground not good. So we have to move more strategic now.
That is it.
100% agree with you.
That's a code.
Well, you done know. The old ways of doing things, done. We leave that to them little young upstarts who have come up. Is it?
Still can't left it up to them still, you know. Because more while they made hot and they move shaky, you know.
That is why we have to take them under our wings and teach them the ropes. While we elevate to higher heights.
Reasoning with seasoning.
Yeah, I say a king man, but me nah lie. I see some of them look a boy. Them not rate the elders them, you know, bro. As them slip them slide, you know.
We still have to bring them to the table, Butcher. Because you see now that we are moving in a different direction, we have to ensure say, the youth them still know for hold the order. You over us.